all, hubbub. Welcome to today's plastic fishing with Nomura. We've had a great time and here we are on the pontoon, all set, ready to go. Plastic fishing! Polymer, the world's first recycled plastic boat. Concept with Canary Wharf College and parents. We put this together and we developed and designed and got built with Hubbub, the world's first recycled plastic boat. Here she is at the Docklands Sailing and Water Sports Centre, ready for a group of excited plastic fishing people that are on the way. And this is the second vessel, Vitamin C, and she's ready to go. They're made from recycled plastic, which is melted down, pelleted, heated up to 200 degrees, and then extruded. And Mark Edwards, a talented boat builder in Richmond, assembled the boats together for us. It's powered by Torpedo electric engines, and this is in Millwall Outer Dock at the Docklands Sailing and Water Sports Centre. So we've got our life jackets on and our mat down and we're ready to go. So off we go, down the pontoon, towards the plastic boats, ready to go for an afternoon's fishing out on the dock. So we're split into two groups, one on polymer, one on vitamin C, and see what treasure we can find today. And off we go. Here's Derek, our skipper, taking us on vitamin C, shortly followed by Rory on polymer. Fish all the way around the West India docks. This is down by the Blue Bridge. City Sailing got a video on the Blue Bridge and also a video on the Millwall docks, and we can see the Massey Shore and the Portway. Massey Shore, an old fire tender, and the Portway, a steam powered barge. And we've got the Lord Emery, and she is the Docklands Scout project. So this is a residential base for the Docklands Scout project. Scouts sleep on this ship and they do activities on the docks on these launches and dinghies and the kayaks and canoes, and in the end there's a classroom that we see at the end. So this is at Dollar Bay, just to see the Blue Bridge in the background, and we fish in the nooks and crannies here, helping them keeping their dock and their sailing area clean and tidy and safe. Meanwhile, back at the docks, we can see the old crane and the equipment at Docklands Sailing and Water Sports Centre, ready for sorting out the treasure. So on our tarpaulin, with our grabbers and our gloves on, we go through it and we sort out bottles, recyclable, non-recyclable, and plastic bottles. And we keep the plastic bottles and we send them away to be melted down by plaswood to be made into other projects and other new boats. And this is our haul today of the plastic bottles. You ready? One. Ten in total. Empty that one. So what we got? We got another 8,990 to go. You coming back? So the total weight was 2.1 kilograms. Take off the 1 kilogram of the container, so 1.2 kilograms of plastic we pulled out of the box is going to be recycled. Back at the sailing centre, we have a workshop on recycled plastic, look at plastic, use of plastic, and also the use of single-use plastic. And we discuss how we can reduce our plastic and little changes in our lifestyle and what we can do, and have a little think about how we can change. So see some of the ideas: changing fruit packaging, and I think that says grocery bags, storage use containers, bamboo toothbrushes, wet wipes, which is a whole issue, and artificial plants. Not having artificial plants out of plastic. And the second group came up with our food choices: multi-use bottles. I can't read the first one. Paper glass packaging, renewable plastic bags, clothing choices, good one. Reducing impulse buying, free cycle using charity shops, and grow your own food, which was quite an interesting one. And third group, ate a pack of crisps and put crisps at the top of the list. Coffee cups, so they recycle, less plastic bottles, fruit packaging, and straws. And if the straws can be made better and not use plastic straws, and I know that's been in the media quite a lot. So we had loads of fun, loads of thinking, great time, hot drinks, back in the bar. Thank you very much for coming along. Thank you very much to Rory and Derek, our skippers. And I hope you enjoyed yourselves, and we'll see you back soon.